Hey there, it's Rhonda here. I'm over at Andrew's house, which is Daryl's rental house. And for the past year or so, he has not been able to lock his door. So my goal today is to fix that. I already took the old lock out. Now I'm on step 5 of putting in the new lock. So hopefully now he can secure his residence and won't have to worry about it anymore. So let me get you caught up. I had to take the old one out. I'm at the stage where I can put the batteries in. And the lock that I chose is this. It's upside down. Quick Set. Oh, you can't read that. That's backwards. Quick Set Power Bolt 2. Now, I've used the Quick Set at our other houses, and they work great. The other one I took out of here was a Schlage, and it quit working probably within a year of us installing it. So this one, believe it or not, was only $69. So I got one for this house and one for our lake house. We call it the lake house. But my house has a bronze one, dark bronze, that quit working about a year ago. It takes us forever to get around to the simple stuff. But we're going to be installing that next over at the lake house in about an hour or so. So now I can lock and unlock my front door and come and go out my front door. Because right now we have to go around to the garage, open up the garage door and go through it. Which only 2 of the vehicles have a garage door opener, so we have to use the keypad in order to open up the garage. So this is what it looks like on the back side. And you just simply lift up the lid and install your 4 batteries. So we're going to do that right now. We finally got some rain, y'all. It is looking very wet and very luscious and green out there. All of our yards and gardens definitely can use that. Oh, it just beeped at me. So that must mean it's got power. So we're going to leave the lid off for now. Oh, it's got information on it. I have to take a picture of that. So we'll put these over here. Those are the extra batteries for the other lock we got. And now we are on to step 5C. Let me see if I can take and show you this. I can't figure out how to turn the phone around. Oh well. We'll just set you back over here. And it says to press and hold the reset button on the interior assembly for 5 seconds until you hear 3 long beeps. So, where's the reset button at? There it is. I wonder, nope. I'm holding the screwdriver in it to see if it'll, yep, the screwdriver fit in there. Actually, it's a Phillips. I bought this today when I was at Lowe's too because it said you only needed a screwdriver to install it with. So this is one of those inexpensive interchangeable screwdriver, and this also changes out from a small, larger screwdriver to a smaller. You swap that around. Same thing with the other side, and then you just slide it back in the screwdriver. So These are neat to have around. You should always have a screwdriver nearby. I have tons of them, but I never can find them when I need them, so it didn't hurt to get another one. So we got that done. Now we're on to step D. Align the colored edges of the connectors and ensure a tight cable connection. Lola, you're kind of in the way. So it looks like this is going to go like this. Oh, it gives you color. It colors it to make sure you put it on there right. Very smart idea. I'm hoping it's on there good. See how the... Where'd it go? I'm lost. See how the colors line up there? So now, next step, I guess, would be to... Uh-oh. Oh, I get it. I get it. This gonna go there, but what about the cable? Doesn't the cable get in the way? Let me look at the directions. Rotate the turn piece away from the door edge and make sure the latch is fully retracted. It's... Oh. Make sure the torque blade is still in the horizontal position and install the interior assembly. Well, how in the world do you do that? Oh, I'm still questioning how the cable stays out of the way. So what screws do we use for this? Three screws. These three right here. We're going to use these three to secure it one at a time. I'm still recovering from shoulder surgery, y'all. Second one on my left shoulder. So it makes it very hard to hold anything up or to do anything with that arm. So I just deal with it and keep moving on without doing too much. That's why I had to have a second surgery, because I was trying to do too much. I'm stubborn that way. I want to get things done. I'm impatient. But I like doing this kind of stuff. If I could just get the time and the energy to get up and do it. But Andrew and them are not here right now. What do you know? It works. So now we're going to move on to step I, which is put the cover back on. But before I put the cover back on, I want to take a... Oh, I can't take a picture of this because you guys are on there. So we're going to slide that on. Oops. But isn't it going all the way? There it goes. Step 6, set the locking and unlocking direction. Uh-oh, that could be an issue. Nice. So let's see if I can get this to unlock. But it doesn't retract all the way. I don't get it. Well, I think it sticks out enough when you unlock it that it's gonna cause it not to allow the door to open. Well, it's installed, so looks pretty good. Got that side. Where is it? It is a lot bigger than the other setup that we had, but this one you don't have to take apart to actually change the batteries. You just pull this up, change your batteries, and slide this back on, getting it in the groove, of course. And away you go. It doesn't want to go on now. So there you have it. Now we can secure the house. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. I'm going to be doing some tiling work and grouting work over at what we call the vacation house, because we're downsizing to Daryl's house. And we've been remodeling his house. We should have been showing the videos this whole time, but we're going to start showing us setting everything up and getting into the house. So have a wonderful day, be blessed, and drive safe. Bye.